Hey everyone, welcome back to DFM. In the previous videos, we walked through logging into the cluster and scheduling a deployment. Now let's take a look at what happens once a deployment is scheduled. Here we have a deployment set for 7 p.m. on the production cluster, and there are a few actions we can perform on this schedule. The first option is to approve the deployment. If I click on approve, a confirmation prompt will ask me if I'm sure about this decision. Once I confirm, the deployment will move to the approved state, meaning that at 7 p.m. it will automatically be deployed to NiFi. On the other hand, if I choose to reject the schedule, the deployment won't proceed. Now, what if I don't want this deployment to happen at 7 p.m.? In that case, I can simply reschedule it. By selecting a new time, let's say 10 p.m., and clicking on Update, the entire deployment process will now take place at the new scheduled time instead of the original one. That's how easy it is to manage your deployment schedules. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next one.